Today's attempt by some political groups in this committee is, again, another partisan attack, a diversion tactic from the real misuse and corruption in EU funds management by the Czech.
May I interrupt you? We are not discussing what you are discussing here at the moment. May I ask you to respect the tasks and that the CONT has? We are discussing here
the
about
management
ERDF.
of EU funds in Malta, yes.
We are discussing of possible systemic problem that Mrs. Borchmann was explaining to us. Please, you're already talking 2 minutes. Please stay in line with the duties of the CONT committee, okay?
So I was dealing with
We were not in the LIBE committee. We are not talking here about the rule of law. So there you have to change in the LIBE committee.
When it comes to the management checks, the management authority undertook
I would ask you to conclude, please.
My colleague from EPP. I'm sorry,
you
my
had
colleague
now
from
4
EPP.
minutes. My colleague spoke 2.5 minutes.
But we had an allocation of 5 minutes.
No, you're not for S&D here. You are, as a member of other committees, normally you're not allowed to speak.
So first of all, I'm sorry, Chair, but you interrupted me when the colleague from EPP was only talking about the killing of Daphne Caruana Galizia.
I expected you're respecting the chair.
Yes, I'm respecting the chair, but at least
so you have now 30 seconds, and then I will stop you speaking here. This is very unpolite. Sorry.